how to set Samsung email view to standard or conversation on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the email app. Next, tap on the menu button. Then tap on settings at the top. Now scroll down, then tap on view. From the pop-up, you can choose between standard or conversation. So this is conversation. If I go back to my inbox, in my email list here, you can see if I open it, it shows in a conversation format. So here I can switch between different emails. And if I go to my settings page and change it back to standard, then it will show separate individual emails. And that is how you can set your Samsung email view to standard or conversation list on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.